Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another Funday Sunday watch face review, and we lost an hour of time. How do you feel about that? And what kind of weekend is it gonna be for you? Hit me in the comment section below and let me know. All right, let's end this weekend off right. Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and today I cannot get rid of this voice. This basic voice I can't get rid of it, so bear with me on this one. Now, the name of the watch face is called Gear S3 Chrome Multicolored Blue. It's by my man D Wills, and I'm telling you, this guy does great work on watch faces. Now, in the always on mode, I like the look. It gives you your exercise and activity info, and it's legible, and you get a digital time as well. Everything you need to see at a glance that's important. When the watch face is cut on, I love a chrome look. I've always loved a chrome look. And at the top, you're gonna get your digital time. It's in black. I like that look on top of chrome. And you get your heart rate that looks like it's beating over to the left-hand side. And it is interactive, so if you tap on it, you can go in further and get information on your stats, things of that nature. Here you're gonna get your step activity, miles walked or ran, floors climbed, you get your day, your date. I like this look. I like the fact that it's in the middle and it is interactive, so you can tap on it. And you know me, I love shortcuts, right? Shortcuts are number one in my book. You put shortcuts on, I'll buy the watch face. But listen, I'm telling you, this look is good. It's interactive. Trying to get into my mail, and well, yeah, my email, and I like the look. I like it. Although I wish we can change this to Google Assistants of some sort. But other than that, this is definitely a good look. Now, you can customize the color. It's not really customizing the color, it just shades it a little bit. Let me let you see what I'm talking about. Double tap in the corner, and you can change it to whatever shade you want. Kind of like the black, kind of like that one too. Same thing for the color. If I tap the center, I can change the color shade just a little bit. You want to get a few in all, but it's still a good look. I like that look right there. What do you think, guys? All right, you all. I hope you enjoyed the Funday Sunday watch face review. I hope you're going to end your weekend right. Relax, enjoy, and have some fun. All right, you all, I'm going to see you all at the next video. If you enjoyed this one, make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. All right, and I will see you all at the next video. Take care.